And as you know, we Holtop have been specialized in heat recovery products and air handling units for almost 19 years and
2 decades.
Yes. Now we also develop our own series of direct expansion condensing units and relevant products to make our product collection much more stronger and competitive.
Yes.
We will launch them in this year, and now we are going to make a brief introduction one by one.
Okay.
So
the first one is the sealing type. The sealing type DX coil system. This is the spirit type, which consists of indoor unit and outdoor unit, air-cooled outdoor unit. And actually we have two parts. One is for one-door circulation, and the other one is 100% fresh air.
Yeah.
And the first one I'm going to introduce it is the indoor circulation type.
Yeah.
This indoor circulation type is known or used as indoor circulation is for air conditions to control the indoor air temperature. And the key feature of this unit is the air on the coil temperature is dB 27 degree and WB with 90.5 centigrade. And the off coil temperature will be 16 to 17. And for this temperature, as you see, it can be a very good solution for the indoor air temperatures control. Okay, let's have a look what we have for the capacity of this type. As you know, we have 7 types actually. We have 5, 6, 8, 10, and 12, 15, and 18 horsepower. And the cooling capacity is from 40 heating. The cooling capacity is from 11.8 to 42 kilowatts. And all type is heat pump type. So you can also have 14.9 kilowatts to 48.2 kilowatts for heating. And okay, so let's have a look the indoor unit of the fan. All fan for this series is AC type, which is a better direct drive. And the airflow it is from 2,400 cmh to 8,500 cmh, and they can have three-speed air regulation. At the same time, because it has a different type, so we're thinking about the application in the future. It will have a long ducts for each of the project. So our pressure, external static pressure, can be 100 to 300 Pascal. And for those model, we are running with 380 voltage. We can have an option of external static pressure from 100, 200, 250, and 300 par. And these all external static pressure can be can be designed and set before the customer send us inquiry. And the most important thing is this sealing type is for the indoor unit is for sealing installation, because nowadays the space is very tight and the room space is very expensive, especially here in Guangzhou in China. So we need to make sure our indoor units is as slim as possible to to put under the ceiling.
To fit the ceiling.
Yes, you're right. So the ceiling height, what we have right now is 415 to 815. And of course, these heights can be also customized.
Wow, that's good.
Based on customer project requirement. So you are welcome to send any inquiries once you have any indoor air conditioner control for the project. And our team can help. I'm sure our team can help you. Okay, so Ken, please introduce the 100% fresh air unit.
Yes, so we have another type for especially for the fresh air handling, and we call it a 100% fresh air type. And the air on coil, the outdoor temperature is designed as 35 centigrade, and the air off coil temperature is as low as 23 centigrade. Yeah. And we have a lot of cooling capacity on for option. Our cooling capacity could be from 12 kilowatts to 43 kilowatts. And all the units are heat pump type. So we can also get heating capacity from about 15 kilowatts to 44 kilowatts. And for the fresh air type, we also have 7 types for option for different horsepower for 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, and 18 horsepower. And the centrifugal fan is direct drive or belt drive according to the external static pressure in need. Yeah. And we have the airflow from 1,500 cmh to 6,000 cmh. And the airflow, we can get a 3-speed control for them. And we also have the external static pressure from 100 parts to 300 parts to fit the different size of the building. As you can see that our office is very long, and so we need a high external static pressure.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the indoor unit, the indoor circulation units and the fresh air indoor air units, they are almost the same, but in terms of cooling capacity.
Very similar.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. So the indoor units size is also from 415 mm to 775 mm. So that is a very good item to suit the ceiling.
Yes, under ceiling installation.
Okay. So I'm going to introduce something about the section, the functional section about our indoor direct expansion units. And normally the indoor sections would include the air inlet damper, and this damper can be manual type or motor type. Yes. And the electric type of damper should be driven by the actuator from the control system.
Yeah, drive by the actuator.
Yeah. And after this air damper, it will be the filter.
Yes, filter.
So normally we use G4 panel filters for office, or we can get a higher class.
Yes.
And it is the direct expansion coil, and supply fan, and outlet flange connection.
Yes.
And this is the general section of the ceiling direct expansion AHU, but it is customized.
Yes.
It can be customized.
Yes, it is a simple structure, damper, filter, fan, and coil. But we Holtop to make it as a combination and make this, slim size and low noise and different cooling or heating capacity to suit different application. So this DX seating type AHU could be very good ideal solution for many spaces, such as restaurant, such as a shopping mall, such as office, and so any place that people want to control the indoor temperature to make people work more high efficiency, this unit would be the ideal model. So okay, so I'm also want to talk about how to use these units in the office. For example, in the office is the key point for an office is to have enough, it's sufficient or enough for the fresh air and to turn down the indoor temperature to make people work more comfortable. Yeah. And what's more, the noise is very important. Yes. So our units can has a 3-speed regulation, and normally people can turn on the low speed, middle speed, and high speed to based on customers' requirement. And what's more, the ducting, because some of the offices has very long size, a long distance ducting to distribute air to each of the corner of the room. So it's a request to have high external static pressure. And our units can be, 100, 150, 250, and 300 par to meet the requirement. So that is to say, our unit is a very good idea, a very good solution for the class office. So how time flies. We have shared with you the Holtop DX coil AHU for ceiling, for the floor type, and the roof type. So they have their own feature to suit different projects. And if you have any inquiry or any projects, they are going to use the DX AHU, and you are welcome to send us inquiry or leave us a message.